The story of Will and Jada Smith is something that will keep going as they struggle to try to find their way through the different aspects of their lives and the discord that has come between them in the past. They have had arguments in recent times that almost split their marriage and their families. They were not afraid to go and make allegations about each other at times and do stuff they regretted. Allow us to enlighten you. Hello, celeb enthusiasts! Here to dig up on your favorite industry? Well then, welcome back to Entertainment Avenue. Here we unfold all the mysteries hiding up our celebrities' sleeves. In today's video, we'll be revealing the controversy about Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith's angry argument on the Red Table Talk. Before we start digging, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our juicy content. Ready to feel like a paparazzo? Then hop on the train and remember to stay tuned till the end to have your minds blown away. In 1997, Jada Pinkett Smith and Will Smith married, but it wasn't necessarily a fantasy wedding. Today, more than 20 years after their marriage, the two have been through some ups and downs, and along the way, they discovered they no longer want to name themselves husband and wife. The first thing you have to realize when it comes to Will and Jada is that this relationship is not as traditional or normal as you would anticipate. Sure, under typical circumstances, they encountered each other at Will's show, The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. There were reports that things were not as simple as many relationships will go. Even when they got together, including how rumors claimed that the two had an open relationship based on Jada's words, who later denied it. She even went so far as to say that she would rather die than divorce Will because that's how seriously they took their vows, which is a very nice thought, particularly considering the world in which we live right now. Even there is a contrast between the arrangements made at the beginning of the relationship. As with all things and what happens when the relationship begins, Pinkett was never accepting of the concept of marriage, and Smith was supportive. When they married, in the eyes of other people, they became husband and wife. But they realized after a while they did not want to refer to themselves as such anymore. In 2018, the pair ended up redefining their relationship, said Pinkett. All these aspirations we have, oh, that's precisely what a husband is. This is what a wife is. I began to dissolve all the theories and perceptions and names. Today, as a living relationship, Pinkett and Smith speak only to themselves as life partners and their union. Many individuals want to glorify celebrities' relationship, saying that they are always a perfect match and constantly gushing about how cute they look together and so on. Nevertheless, in fact, celebrities go through the same marriage issues as everyday marriages. That can be proved by all the breakups and divorces of celebrities that have gone on over the years. Still, because it shatters the illusion, many prefer to disregard that. But with Will and Jada, they are proof that you can have a rocky marriage and have the entire world know about it and yet make it through and still be strong and still be in love with your partner. It will not be easy, but it can be done. You feel that after having 2 kids through Jaden and Willow, the Smiths would be the tightest group around. Instead, behind the scenes, there was serious tension between Will and Jada, part of their acting lifestyles. Even then, the only friction that led to a very public split was between them. This was a serious low point in their lives, according to both of them, not least of which was that they were both struggling to keep their space, and also being there for the kids. As a result, apart from each other, a lot of the time was spent in their own homes, which is not what you'd expect to see or hear from 2 individuals who usually look so upbeat and relaxed when they're in front of the TV. They are nonetheless individual, leading to the great discovery that came out earlier this year. As Will appeared on Jada's Facebook watch show Red Table Talk to discuss some very intimate stuff, the celebrity world was flipped on its head. Not least of all, after their breakup, she had an affair with the singer she was collaborating with through August Alsina. While Alsina had come out to announce the affair sometime before the Table Talk, because in his own words, due to the gossip and speculations going on about it, it was hindering his career from getting their own handle on the story. And saying what was going on from their point of view, Will and Jada came together to reveal the truth of the matter, which was anything but easy. The Girls Trip actress shared that during their time together, her relationship with Alsina helped her to develop and recover, and she learned things about herself, including realizing her ability to be drawn to people who need help. Through that particular journey, I learned so much about myself and was able to really confront a lot of emotional immaturities, emotional insecurities, and I was really able to do some really deep healing, Jada said. And as I came through and started to realize certain things about you and me, he decided to break all communication with me, which was totally understandable. In recent years, Jada noted that she had not spoken to Alcina, so she thought it was weird that he was suddenly bringing up their friendship. For the uninitiated, Red Table Talk is a chat show on Facebook Watch starring Jada, her daughter Willow Smith, and her mother, Adrienne Banfield Norris. The show is known for delving into a wide range of subjects, particularly juicy ones. So, hearing that Jada was planning to make herself the focus of an episode piqued our interests immediately. Lo and behold, Jada reported on a July 10 episode that she had a relationship with Alcina, denying that it was condoned at will and stating that at the time, the two were supposedly divorced. In reality, Jada was so broken up by this, she did not even call it an affair that she pointed to as an entanglement that would be called out automatically, and said it was a friendship, and all but had her say that he wanted her to understand what was going on and what she had done. It was an agitated and intensely intimate conversation, one that touched on the different aspects of marriage and how it can all sound good and still not be good while things proceed. During their breakup, they both confessed to being in shattered positions and that it was impossible to get past it about both hating each other and still yet loving each other. Will thanked Jada, also mentioning Bad Boys by jokingly noting Bad Marriage for Life for sticking with him throughout. People from all over Washington were weighing in on the case, which smashed all sorts of records on Facebook. But hopefully, much more has been shown to the audience. You might say that Will and Jada have never been closer to the point that they have done all sorts of interviews and social media updates, including another Red Table chat about themselves and their children, where Jada and Willow have some heart-to-heart talks about her and Jaden's raising, which was not always easy for them not to risk telling the truth and sharing some of the darker pieces. The scenario has been blown out of proportions, repeating that the pair was better than ever. What hasn't changed at the end of the day is the love Will and Jada have for each other and the deep love their children have for them, said the insider. Whether famous or not, they are an extremely close family. There you have it, a peek at the relationship between Will and Jada Pinkett Smith and how things didn't always go exactly how they wanted it to go, as well as how they were able to pull it together, both for themselves and their kids. What was the part that almost broke them? What do you think they should have done to save their marriage? Let us know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out our latest videos. See you soon and stay safe. Adios.